Hello, welcome to this product introduction on workflows. Workflows allow you, as an administrator, to add supported data assets to Atlan by crawling them. With workflows, you're able to set up the connection to your data asset, limit which data assets should be brought into Atlan, and also set up an automated schedule for the workflow to run. This allows you to make sure that you have the latest changes to your data state in just a few clicks.
Clicking on the Workflows icon on the left-hand navigation brings you to the options contained in the Workflows section. You are first brought to the Workflows overview page. Here, you are able to see the previous workflows that have run in your instance. You can view the status of the workflow, including when it started and how long it took to run. Clicking on the workflow itself provides additional details about the run. At the top of the page, you can filter by specific workflow packages, a specific connection, or a specific time frame to return all runs that occurred within that time frame. At the bottom of the page, you will find a high-level overview of the number of assets that have been updated or archived through the workflow process. Clicking on the Manage tab takes you to an overview of all of your workflows that have been set up. Here, you can view the status of the last 5 runs for each workflow, along with the date of the most recent run. On the left-hand side, you can utilize filters to see workflows by who they were created by, the workflow type, and if the workflow is set to run on a scheduled cadence. Clicking on one of the workflows takes you to the overview page. Here, you can view details about the workflow itself, as well as edit the configuration if new credentials or different settings are required. Finally, there is the Marketplace. Here, all native connections to Atlan will be shown. These show all of the different data sources that can be set up to crawl using the Atlan UI. At the top of the page, you can filter by the workflow type. Connectors are those that will bring in your data assets. Custom lists any of the custom packages that have been added to your instance. These are specific workflows that extend the capabilities of Atlan and can be requested to be added through your customer success team. They allow for aspects such as bulk uploads of metadata or even description propagation. The minor workflows are those that will either enhance Lineage through parsing SQL queries or add popularity to specific sources. Orchestrator types are those that push orchestration information about your data flows to Atlan, giving you an understanding of status and failure of your data pipelines. Finally, there are utility workflows. These allow for specific actions to be done from or inside Atlan. On the right-hand side of each workflow package is the documentation, which links to step-by-step guidance on how to set up the workflow. And with that, we conclude our high-level overview of workflows.